Hi everyone, and welcome to another one of our video analysis that we do 3 times a week. In this video we're going to go through the two main instruments, euro dollar and gold, and we're going to see what are the current setups and do we have any trading opportunities. Okay, before that, make sure to head over to our website trendlineforex.com. check out all of the courses that we've got, the signal room, as well as the expert advisors that we currently offer. Okay, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and make sure to comment down below as well, as this will increase your chance of winning a full forex training worth over 1,000 euros. Okay, we've also got many other prizes. You can win a 1-year subscription to our closed Telegram channel, or you can also win a course of your choice. Okay, again, what you have to do is to comment below each video that we post out, and also check out our Facebook page and make sure to get involved in the conversation below the posts there as well. There's all the links in the description below this video. Okay, now since it's Monday, what we like to do is we like to go through the economic calendar very quick and see what kind of news we've got ahead for this week. Okay, now I'm looking at this calendar here, and I've already filtered out the low impact news, and I'm only looking at the high impact news because that's all we care about, right? But still, not each one of those events will actually affect the market. So for example, we've got GDP, gross domestic product, for the EU tomorrow, and this is really not going to affect price that much. Now we've got previous numbers of 2.2%. The consensus is again 2.2%, and if the actual number is, let's say, 1%, then yes, we will have some moves. However, that's not expected, and we'll probably see around the same numbers as before. So like I said, I'm not really expecting the GDP to move the market that much. However, we've got retail sales for the US dollar. That's something that could affect price action. Also, the climate count for the British pound. We'll see about the unemployment rate. Okay, normally the President Lagarde speech would affect the market, but not in this case. Okay, now when you have interest rate decision coming out together with a speech, that's when you'll see the market shaking. However, when there's just a random speech on Friday, I'm not really expecting to see any major moves. So to be honest, it looks like it's gonna be a quiet week. Okay, we're pretty much looking at a couple of news on Tuesday. Then we also have the CPI for the Canadian dollar on Wednesday. We'll see about this one, but overall a quiet week. Okay, so let's head over to the chart. So I'm gonna start off with euro dollar, and what's happening here is price is about to push to the upside and give us a pullback. At the end of this pullback, we want to get involved into a short position and continue the move to the downside. Okay, we're going to be looking for targets below the 1.14 level. Okay, now a lot of people thought that it's about time to see a reversal even before price broke below this previous low. So even when price was above 1.15, they were thinking that it's about time for euro dollar to reverse and head back to the upside. But what happened? You see that price kept just falling. Okay, now throughout this period, that was back in around 2014, 2013, euro dollar was at values around 1.23, and the same thing happened. A lot of traders thought that price is not going to break below the monthly lows right here around the same levels, and so they started buying, expecting for this reversal to happen. But as you can see, euro dollar kept going to the downside, and it actually reached levels of 1.4 at one point. Okay, so that was again one of those moments where a lot of people blew their accounts just because they didn't believe euro dollar will keep falling. And so what I'm trying to say is that, while price is going to the downside, we're selling. When price is going to the upside, we're buying. We're not trying to, go against the move that we currently see on the chart. So what we currently see is a downside move, and until price breaks, above a key level, we're still looking for a downside continuation. So that's my logic behind this move. I'm expecting for price to come and retest the 38.2 level, which is 1.14 or 1.15 pretty much, to around 1.1520, and I am expecting to see a reversal happening at this zone. That's when I'm going to enter a short trade with just a tight stop loss above the reversal. But for this purpose, in order to use a tight stop loss, we want to see that pullback, but not just that, we want to see how price behaves during this pullback, okay? Because if we see, a strong impulse taking price, inside of this zone, with just one candle or a couple of candles, that will show me a lot of buying pressure. Therefore, I'm not going to, sell straight away, okay? But if price is slowly coming up here and it then gives me some reversal signals, whether it be a candlestick pattern, a double top, whatever it may be, and then I see price going back to the downside, that's what my entry opportunity will be, okay? Again, targets will be below 1.14, and then at a later stage, when we see price reaching a certain level down here and reversing, that's when we're gonna start buying. But as of right now, like I said, we're looking at a downside move, and price is still pushing to the downside, reaching lower values every time it breaks below previous low, right? So I think that's enough for euro dollar. I'm gonna move on to gold, and I believe that a lot of people now they know what to expect from gold. Okay, we've recently just broken above 1830, a strong resistance here on this instrument, and obviously we are expecting to see a continuation higher. Now, if you are looking for day trading opportunities on the lower time frames, scalping positions, then I believe that we will see another push to the upside and price reaching around the 1880 level, between 1870 and 1880. So that means, again, on the lower time frames, you can look for long opportunities with tight stop losses. That's not what we do here at Trendline. This is not our style of trading. We've done it before, but now we are more patient, more completed traders, and we're looking for kind of a longer term trades, or at least swing trades. So that means I'm gonna wait for price to reach that zone, 1870, 1880. Then I'm gonna wait for this pullback, and I am expecting to see a pullback to around the resistance that we've recently broken above. So this one, I am expecting to see a pullback down here, and this to act as support. And once I get such an entry level down, around those levels, then I'm gonna enter long, and I'm gonna anticipate the next move to the upside. Okay, so again, I'm not gonna enter while price is here, because if I have to make an entry now, then I'm gonna have to use a stop loss at least around 1820. Okay, and like I said, I'm not expecting to see price continuing straight up without a retracement. In fact, I am expecting to see a retracement, so that's why we'll see one more last push, and then price will make a deeper pullback. That's where I want to enter a long position. Okay, that's what we're looking at here on gold as well. So an upside continuation and downside continuation on euro dollar. Okay, other than that, I think I mentioned the dollar yen last week. We've had a strong upside push here, and we are expecting a continuation of this upside move that has been going on for quite some time. Okay, so we did have this upside impulse, and all we have to do now is to wait for price to pull back to a certain level, and then we can get involved into the next leg to the upside. So watch out for price action on dollar yen as well. Okay, that's pretty much all. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and good luck with the giveaway that we're currently doing. Don't miss out on the opportunity to win a full Forex training, including several courses, 14 hours of mentoring, a year worth of subscription to our closed Telegram group. That's where we send out each and every trade that we take. If you don't want to wait for the giveaway, of course you can get in touch with us, and we can put you in our private Telegram group, so you can trade alongside us and make profit as well. Okay, that's pretty much all. I'll see you guys on Wednesday again with the same video, and we're gonna see how price action developed on those instruments. Take care, everyone.